What's up, guys? It's Kellen and my neighbor Devon.
Hi.
It's his birthday today.
I see something.
Wait, what?
I see something.
You see something?
Yes.
Okay, we'll go get it. What'd you find?
I don't know. That's fine.
We'll just go get it. Oh God, what are you bringing back?
A pocket knife.
Oh dear God. Can it like do anything?
Yes. It have pliers. It have a knife, a smaller knife, a beer opener, a screwdriver, and other stuff.
Beautiful. Are you threatening me?
No.
Good choice. Let's see if we can open a soda can.
Okay, let's go.
Alright.
Ready? Let's go inside. I'm waiting.
Sure. Is that my last one? No, it's my last one, Devon. You gotta make it count.
Okay.
Alright,
I can open it.
let's go inside.
Which one is it? Ow! Here you go. Oh.
Did you just stab yourself?
No. I'm trying to get.
What was that?
Okay, I cut myself for wheels. I'm now bleeding. Okay.
What?
I cut myself with a small knife.
Alright. Try and open my soda.
And I'm trying to find it without stabbing a finger off.
I already have my soda.
What? Let me find the beer opener. Found it.
It's called a beer opener, but we're using it to open a can of soda.
No, sweat. Jesus Christ.
Now for the taste. Quite refreshing. Now I have 2 cans of soda to drink before my mom gets home. Oops. You having fun with your pocket knife?
Yeah.
Ah! I think you just broke it.
No, I didn't. What the heck? Oh, cool, knife.
So good.
Knifey. Oh.
You just throw that on the ground.
I'm trying to. Oh, dirty. What's shot my finger?
It's not working.
Yes, it is.
So, are you digging a grave in my lawn?
No.
Are you sure? Because, I mean, it looks like you are. Okay, well, happy birthday, Devon.
Okay.
Let's get this to 10 likes for his birthday.
How about 2K?
Later. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye.
So, since I have to drink both of these, I'm going to try and drink them at the same time.
What the? What the?
That didn't work as planned. Okay, bye.
Look what he did.
Okay, bye.